Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. Thank you guys for all the support on my first video. Seriously, it was amazing. It was so mind blowing, the video, because I was so like, oh my god, what's gonna happen. But thank you guys for the love. It's been great. If you haven't seen the video, please click on the link on the comments to watch my first video on the ASOS haul. So how are you guys doing? I think from my last video I talked about homeschooling my kids. One of my daughters gone back to school now, so it's just me homeschooling one child and taking care of a toddler. So it's a bit more easier this week. But I hope you guys are doing well. So guys, on today's video, we're gonna be reviewing, I'm sure you've seen on the comments already, but I think, when you have that like really best friend, ASOS. For those who don't know ASOS is a shop that sells different their own products and products from other online stores. So you can buy Boohoo from ASOS, you can buy Misguided from ASOS, you can buy Pretty Little Things from ASOS, and they have their own brands. But today, I feel like I'm gonna be breaking up with ASOS, because this brand I'm gonna review today, which is House of CB. House of CB, I don't have anything of theirs in my wardrobe. Like, it's strange because I feel like their clothes speak to me. Like, I follow them on Instagram, and when I see the models, I'm thinking, this is me, this is my kind of clothes, but I don't have one item from them. So this is my first time trying their clothes, and I feel like if I like it so much, I'm going to stop shopping at ASOS. It's going to be like my new go-to place, that friend that is always there. That's how ASOS is to me. Like, if I have an event, I can afford to wait till last minute to buy, because I know when I go to ASOS, I'll find what I'm looking for, and I'm going to have it delivered the next day. So I ordered, for those who don't know House of CB, it's a beautiful online store, and they do loads of beautiful dresses. I think they have a concession now in Topshop on the pricey side compared to ASOS. Yeah, so I love House of CB. I have their package. I ordered it 3 days ago and it came in today, so it was 3 working days to leave. No, actually 2 days ago, 2 days, which is quite impressive for me. But the 3 things I don't like about them, before I talk about the clothes, like the service, but House of CB, you have to, if you don't like what you purchase, you have to return it yourself via Royal Mail and pay, which I'm not really happy with. But let's see. I think it depends on the clothes. You're not happy about that, but I still went there to shop because the clothes, I think, are amazing. And the second thing is CB, if you buy anything that are not full price, you don't get a refund. You get a gift card, which I think worn their clothes before. I wasn't sure what size, so I had in the ASOS I can just splash and buy 2 sizes, one size 10, one size 8, to find out what, or one, I'm not 8 yet, I'm still trying to get there, one size 10 and one size 12, and then decide what I want. But for House of CB, I didn't do that, so I just bought all medium. There's one more thing. The third thing is the stock levels. When you go in, some dresses you see that are really cool, and they tell you it can be delivered within 6 to 7 working days or a few weeks. So their stock sometimes is very low, I guess because they're so good and people rush to the website to buy. Those are the 3 things that I don't like. You need to be aware before you shop on House of CB. So yeah, this is the box. A point of caution though, for those who are shopping online, we're still in a pandemic situation. So before you bring a package into the house, normally I take the bag off and put the bag in the bin right at the door. But because I know this is for my review, I just sprayed antibacterial on it and I wiped it, just to make sure that you're not bringing infection into your house, you're protecting your family. We're excited. I'm gonna open this box. Ta-da! Look at that packaging. Oh, look at that packaging, guys. Like, in here, you see, can you imagine? It's quite heavy as well. Imagine returning this if I'm returning, it's gonna cost me some coins to return. I'm gonna hold it. Like, it's so pretty. Okay, so this is so cute. The little bow. And this has the order confirmation. I said it doesn't have a return. It has where you need to send the item to, but it doesn't have. Like for ASOS, it gives you a code, a barcode, and you stick on it to return it. But anyway, I'm gonna let you guys know how much it cost me if I return the dresses. So this is it. How it's beautiful, like beautifully wrapped. I'll put on the screen the dress. Do you know what? Do you know the green dress I had for my last video? If you haven't seen that video, you need to click on it. I got from ASOS. This, I think that was a copy of this. So guys, this, I don't know if my camera can do this dress justice, but it is absolutely stunning. It's ASOS did a good job copying it. ASOS did a really good job because they got the folding, but I don't think they got it's got like little shoulder pads in here. But overall the quality is, because ASOS material is a bit thinner, but this, it is absolutely stunning. It is beautiful. And then the dress, I don't feel like taking it off. I just want to stay with it. Now this is beautiful. I recommend this dress 100%. The length is good. That's it. Like literally, it's a keeper. What's your comment? I know it's similar to the green dress, I know, but this is a better quality, it's a better fit. It's, you know, a dress like, I saw these dresses on the model. I think I'll put one of the models on the screen. And I think, I'm not saying I'm a model, I've done modeling in the past, but it fits well. Like it holds you in the right places. So beautiful. That is like $1 million. So anyway, that's that one. I'm gonna try the next outfit. What can we do? Yeah, so this is one of the, this is actually my favorite. It's a red dress and I really can't wait to try it, but I hope it meets my expectations. So for size, I ordered the medium. Oh, it comes with a little stain. I don't know if you can see it. Little stain right there. I hope it don't feel corsety. Yeah, I'll put the dress on the screen with the model, but yes, this is it. I'm gonna try. So this dress, guys, it's, you know, a dress you see on the model and it looks exactly the same. That is, quality is great. Oh my god. Like you just stand there. Hey Steph, what are you doing? I'm just standing here, I'm just posing. It's absolutely, sorry, my daughter is in the room with me. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I'm gonna try the next outfit now, but I think this is my favorite so far. I think it's classy, it's bougie, classy, bougie. It's gorgeous. It's just nice. Wait, what do you think? Let me know. Let me know. Let's try the next outfit on. This is the next outfit. I'm gonna try it on. So this is this. I had really high hopes for this jumpsuit. I put the picture on the screen. It fits really nicely, but I can't see. the back. I think if I... So this is the final outfit. It's what's this material called? Bandage material. It's very, very heavy, but it's very nice. What do you think? I think to wear this you have to get, you know, those things that suck you in the tummy. But it's beautiful. Imagine you have a wedding. It's a beautiful dress, good quality. I'm very pleased with this dress. It's definitely a keeper. It's very comfortable. I like that it covers. So I'm very conscious of my underarm, but I'm happy that it covers that, and I like like a single hand style here. I think it's really great. Wow. I really do love. So my daughter is playing. She's coloring on the bed. So yeah, this is the final outfit for today. What do you think? Put your comment, and the price will be on the screen, and also with the model. I'm going to do this and you just go. Oh, you know, it's beautiful.
Welcome to my channel.
Okay, welcome to your channel. She's heard me so much. She's saying welcome to my channel. So this is the view. This is the dress. I absolutely love it. I don't know what I'm gonna wear it to, but I love it. Okay, welcome to your channel, Olivia. I love it. I love it. I think it's absolutely. Can you color the yellow? Can you use yellow? Yeah. You have to do some coloring with her. There you go. Nice. And final notes. So yes, I absolutely love the outfits. I think the only one I didn't like was the black jumpsuit. So yes, House of CB, hands up. You delivered. You delivered. Like literally, you delivered. I love the dresses. They're great quality. So you guys go check them out. I'll put a link I'll put a link on the description box of all the outfits I've tried today. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know your comments. Sorry, it's a bit crazy today. I was in between babysitting and doing the video. But yeah, normally she has a nap at this time, but she just refused. So I had to work with her, you know. Hope you guys are keeping safe. Thanks for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button now, and also like and comment and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe and comment, and I'll see you on my next video. Thanks. Bye.